Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Tori Babe here. Welcome to all of my returning subscribers, and if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. Welcome to the family. For our hair of the month, we're going to be doing knotless braids. So I actually did this hairstyle on myself, as you can see, but unfortunately I lost the videos of doing it on myself, so I'll be using Amity as a model since she actually got the same hairstyle. So a little disclaimer, I helped Amity move into her new apartment this week and it's not furnished yet, so if you see me on the floor, you already know why. Okay, let's get into this hair. To start knotless, you can either braid with the person's hair or add a little extra hair, and I did the former for Amity. Knotless braids are basically feed-in braids, and there are two methods I use to do the feed-in. At the beginning, I used the cornrow method like so. And when the braid is long enough, I just add the hair underneath the braid like so. And then you just keep going and add as much strands as you need for the size that you desire, and then you finish out the braid. Okay, some details while you watch me do some more braids. For my big ass head, I used 9 packs of hair and it took me 12 hours to finish the hairstyle. However, for Ayamide, who has a smaller head, I used 7 packs of hair for her and it took me 7 hours. So basically, be prepared to sit for a while, okay? This hairstyle can last from about 4 weeks to 6 weeks or longer, depending on the person, and can be washed bi-weekly. The best thing about this hair is how light it feels regardless of how many braids you have. Like, it's just so light, super light, and I think better than box braids in general. All right, so this is what mine looked like after the braiding process, and honestly, I could have kept it like this. Like, there's nothing wrong with just leaving the ends like this, but I wanted to get the curly ends. Normally, people would use free tress hair for that curly end, but free tress hair tangles easily, and so it can make your hair overall just look older than it is within like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, which I didn't want. So I decided to try another method to get my curls, and that would be the hot water method. So after I get the water ready, I mark out where exactly I want my curls to start, and I separate that by tying it with the scrunchie. Then I separate the ends into 2 parts. Feel free to do more, and then I braid those 2 parts separately. Because I wanted my curls to be tight, I make sure that the braid was pretty tight, as you can see. Once the water is ready, I dip them in and I leave them in for a while, just so they like get as much curls as they can in. Afterwards, I just undo all the braids, get it out, do any cutting that I need to do, which I really didn't for myself, but if you wanted to cut the ends, you would cut the ends, and voila, I have my knotless braids with curly ends. That's all I have for today. Let me know if you guys have any questions. If you do this hairstyle, let me know how it goes for you. Let me know how many hours it takes you or how many packs you use. All additional details are listed below. Thank you all for tuning in. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on Worry Babe. Bye.